The founder noticed something unusual. The phone had stopped ringing. People were no longer walking into the cabin with questions. There were fewer interruptions, fewer escalations. Everything felt quieter. At first, it looked like the business had become more organized. Then, during a client conversation, a simple question came up. Can we move the project delivery ahead by 1 week? The founder looked around the room. Nobody could answer immediately, not because the answer didn't exist, because it now lived across multiple teams. As businesses grow, something changes. The founder no longer sits at the center of every conversation. Projects move through delivery teams. Approvals move through managers. Resources are planned by operations. Commercial decisions stay with finance. Every team sees the work from its own perspective. And every decision depends on information spread across the organization. The business hasn't become less visible. Visibility has simply become distributed. And that's the moment many founders experience for the first time. Growth doesn't reduce awareness, it changes where the awareness lives. That's where the real shift happens. Growing businesses don't need more meetings. They don't need more reports. They need every operational movement to stay connected. With Bizio, projects, teams, approvals, timelines, resources, billing, and execution stay connected inside one operational system. So information doesn't have to travel through layers before decisions can be made. Instead of searching across departments for answers, leaders can understand how work is moving across the business as it happens. Not by asking more questions, but by staying connected to the flow of work itself. Because successful founders don't lose visibility as they grow. They simply need visibility that grows with the business. When your business scales, your visibility should scale with it. If you want to grow your business while staying connected to every stage of execution, explore how Bizio can help you connect your entire workflow in one system.